I'm planning to create one WhatsApp group with you guys, and we'll share the link. If someone have any questions, queries, people can message there. Or anyway, you people have my number. You can message me there. But see, for example, 2 days back we have some Zoom issue, something. So that time, see, most of the people struggled, and even so many people called me or our headman Hari Prasad or some and other people. But people don't know what happened exactly. Maybe one or two people missed the class. So why should people should miss the class, or why should we do that? So I thought our admin or me, we thought like of creating a new group. So we'll share with the link. I will share the link with you guys. Okay. So people join with that link into that WhatsApp group. If anyone have issues, or if people can post your questions, or see, for example, if people are going for interviews, if you found any walk-ins in some company or something, if you share that, even your friends will that will help your friends, and they can also come. So that will be helpful for everyone. That's what I feel. So yes, what is your call on this, guys? So if you people are fine, then I will create it. Okay. So what I'm thinking, I will just create a group and I will share the link with you guys in the chat so that everyone will join from that link. Okay. But one thing, no more personal discussions or something. Okay. So no personal discussions or not, something like that. So only professional. That's it. Okay. So no forward messages, nothing. Okay. Got it, guys? So okay, then we'll start with our session. I will share the group in middle way because people are slowly joining. Okay. Today I will share. I will share the book today. Okay. Okay. Now, so we have discussed about what declaration of variable we have seen, right? Okay. So fine. How many of you practice this program? How many of you got the output? And how many of you are facing some issue? So anyone open Visual Studio? What happened? No, that welcome program, right? I think you people practiced. See, whoever is responding, I definitely feel like they practiced. See, even that is a one-line program or two-line program, whatever it may be, but still, okay. So if you filter there, then what will happen, Ankit, so that it won't go into that other things. So it will directly open. Okay. So only some 6, 7 people practiced and they got the output. What about others? Okay, so let's start with the session then. Okay, fine. So guys, practice that so that you will get the output. Okay. Okay. Yesterday we have seen in our last class we have discussed about that difference between console.write line, and other few things, right? So now we will discuss about. Okay, we'll charge. So now we will discuss about yesterday in our last class we also discussed about the data type, so variables and data type. So basically what is a variable? So a variable is nothing but name given to storage area that our program can manipulate. Each variable in C# has specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory. See, simple. Variable is nothing but identification of variable which will allow and access the value, which will store the value in that particular variable. Okay, so whenever we use or we call that variable, then we can get that value. Okay, that's what we have discussed about variable. Okay, so the syntax for declaring a variable is what? Data type, variable name. So we have seen some example for this. Okay, I think what we have seen in our last example, we have seen addition program. So now we will see different variables and different types. We will see now one program for that. Okay. So before going to that, we'll see what are different types of data types available here. So some important data types I will explain now, and other things we'll see. Okay. So whatever needed for this console application, up to that I will teach, and a few things like bool, other things are there. So we'll discuss that in OOPS concepts. Okay. For now, whatever we need, I will explain that. Okay. We have different data types like integer, float, char, double, int float, char, double, string, int float, char, double, string. That's it. Okay, that's it. So these are. So now people tell me, see, why do we need data types and all? See, these data types I will explain say in our next topic, that is separately again, but still no. But I will just give you some overview on data type. See, for example, when you are entering 1, 2, 89, 78, something you are entering like this. So, however, compiler or CLR will know this is integer, this is something. See, for example, if you want to buy something, so then enter the cost. Then what you will do, you will enter the cost. Now see, this is what our integer, so I will add like this. Then what is the value here? 80 plus 20, 100, right? Similarly, what I will do now, people tell me here 78 plus 22. So I will unmute few people and I will ask them what is the output here. Who is that luckiest person? See, Shashanka and Marthi Reddy are saying they are saying wrong. See, who told if you add 78 and 22, it is 7822. Okay, we'll ask someone. Akash. Akash, tell me what is the output here? Akash. Okay, we'll ask someone else. Arun Kumar. He never spoke with me. Arun. See, Arun, you are there, Arun?
Sir, it's 100.
Sorry?
100, 100.
Here.
Yeah, they are 100.
Okay. So, good, Arun.
Okay.
Now we'll ask Divya. This Divya. So, two Divya, we will ask two Divyas also. Yeah, madam, Divya P. Okay, this Divya. Yeah, two Divyas. One Divya told, I think we cannot add. Okay, Divya. And one more Divya. Tell me. So, we are all waiting for you. Your answer. Krishna. Saujanya. Our last person, Ashwan. Ashwan, what is the answer? See, people are not answering also, guys. So, I don't know what happened. Some people answered very good. Maybe that is right or wrong. 19, sir. Soumya, I want to know how that is 19. Some people are saying 100, some people are saying something. Okay, Soumya. Nothing wrong in trying. Fine. So we'll explain. Okay? We'll explain. But those two people did not respond it. One is Divya and one more. Who is that? Let's see, madam. Let's see. See. Okay. Let's see the output. I will explain myself. Okay. Some people are saying, sir, it won't accept. Some people are saying it is 100. Some people are saying 7822. Okay. So see, if it is not accepting means, see, how can we add two strings in real time? So definitely it should accept all characters and it should add something. But what is that something? I will explain. Okay. So now people tell me, what is this? It is a string, right? So similarly, what is this double quote 78? That is also string. So what is double quote 22? It is also string. See, now you are trying to register your, you are trying to register your first name, you are trying to register in Facebook. You entered first name as Naresh and you entered the second name as IT. And they add these two strings. Now what is the output? What is the output? So what is the output, Soumya? Then if you are adding these two strings, you are getting Nareshati. Nareshati. So why not 7822 here? Why not 7822? Why? Because these two are what? Strings. These two are what? Strings. If you are adding these two strings, we are getting what? Concatenation and we are getting combined output. So here also the same thing. So see, for example, if you add this 78 plus 22, we are getting, so we are getting what? 100. But here what is that? 78 22. So here also, here see 100. If you if you take this one, if you consider this one as money, so if you add, you give 78 rupees and 22 rupees to someone and you tell them like, I gave you 7822, 7,822 rupees. Okay. But programmatically that is something. But anyway, we have typecasting and all. So that we are going to discuss. Okay. So if you enter integer, that should act like integer only. If you enter string, that should act like string only. We have so many concepts there in our upcoming. But so because of this data types, so the compiler will understand. So okay, when you are entering integer unit, it should accept integer values. When you are entering decimals, it should accept either double or float. Now what about this one, char? So this is like this. So it should be within single quotes with a single character at a time. Okay, like this. Okay, so see, some people are not very sure about data types. So I hope that this will help them. Okay, some people are very good enough and they know all these things properly. But so people who are not don't have idea on data types or something, definitely this will be helpful for them. So see, my main intention, I want to teach from 0 level to like up to the max level. Okay, so fine. So I mean, some people will think like we already know all these things or something. But fine. See, it's nothing wrong in learning again. So nothing wrong in updating your skills, right? So that's what I feel. Okay, got it, guys. Fine. So now people tell me here what will happen. So 8 and J. So what will happen if I enter like this for character? Now tell me again. Will it print 8J? Only you, sir. Other people. So what is the output here? I don't know what is this. Yes, no. It will print. It don't print. If not, if it is not printing, if you are thinking. Error will come. Everyone should. So whoever know the answer, please comment here so that I will know. See, even that's how. So even I can decide like up to what level I need to teach and everything I will. Okay. So Ajit, Akash, Arun, where are you, man? Sleeping. So Arun, two Aruns. Okay, Arun Kumar Gaddam. So that's why you people confused last time. Praveen Kumar, Gauri, Krishna. Okay, Ashwant again. So fine. So some people are saying it will print 8J. Some people are saying it will print some J. Some people are saying something. We'll see what is that something. Okay. So that is fine. Now double. So double is nothing but decimal values. So we'll see the output in program only. Okay. So all your confusions will gone there. For double, for example, if you want to declare some decimal values, then we will go for double. Okay, sir, we have float also. The same thing will happen, right? Some people may ask me like that. So the float will also accept decimal values, but there is some small difference between float and double. That's what I will show you in this program. Okay. So now what I will do, simple. I will simply declare one program with all the data types like int value 1. So how many times we can define? So we can declare like this. In the down or somewhere in next line, we can assign the value, or we can directly assign the value here, or we can keep the variables as comma separated. So you people know, right? Different types of syntax for declaring variables. Okay. Now after that, I will declare float value 2 semicolon. After that, what? Double value what? 3 semicolon. After that, what? Tell me. String value 4. Okay. And our beautiful char value 5 semicolon. Okay. So after that, so I will try to print something here. How many? 2 plus 3, 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys. So see here. Okay. So now we will assign values here. Now I will try to assign some value. 2, 3, 5, 6. So are you able to get the value? So no errors. So now what I will do, I will keep double quotes here. Now people tell me what is happening here. So here we are getting error. Do you people know what is the reason for that? Because we declared as integer and we are assigning value of what? String. So that's why it is throwing error. So remove that. So now try to give some decimal values. So here also we are getting the error, right? So how to avoid that error? So we need to give only decimal values. Sorry, only integers. I mean digits. Only digits. Okay, that is what our integer. Now float. So same. What I will do? 236.4. Okay, sir, you told us decimals only, but it is throwing error. So are you doing anything wrong? What is happening there? So in .NET, if you want to represent a float variable, you need to keep f here. Okay. If you define a f there, then that variable become float value. Okay. So we can give any value here. Again, if people will ask me, sir, so every time you're telling 236, what is 236 is your favorite number? What? Maybe some people will ask me like that, but no, not like that. Okay. So got it, guys. Now double. So see here. So 753.25. Fine. Now keep F here. So it is accepting. Now keep D here. Okay. So both float and double are same, but here we'll keep F and here we don't keep anything. So usually, so when we are working with .NET, so most of the times, if that is a decimal number, we will go with double only. So in real time, I'm telling. So in real time projects or something, so we always go with what? Double only instead of float. So there is no specific reason for that, but still. So now see, now our beautiful string, see here. So now tell me, TST, is this a string or not? It's a string. So now I will do 7856. Is this a string or not? String. So, and I will keep at the rate. Still string. So I will keep hash, still string. I will keep dot, still string. I will keep some numbers, string. So something, string. Okay. So whatever you want to keep within double quotes, so that will be a string only. Okay. You don't care about what you are declaring inside that. So that may be special character, that may be integer, digits related, or that may be characters, whatever it may be, that will consider as a string only. And now our beautiful character here. So now see here. So whatever you keep within single quote, that is what called as a character only, single character at a time. Please remember, it is a single character at a time. Now enter 5. There is nothing like error or something. Now we'll do something. See, when you people know this program, that may be small program or big program. So if you know what will happen in real time if you do something positively and negatively. See, for example, positive means if you I can declare the variable and I can print, the value will come. But what will happen if I give something else? So what will happen if I give intentionally wrong? So we should observe everything, then only you will get so much idea on that. Okay, now so I will keep J here. So it is throwing error, right? So now that's what. So what will happen if you declare more than one character for char data type, then it will throw the error. Okay. So how to avoid that? This one. So sir, can we give at the rate here? See, whatever you want to give, you can give. That should be a single character. Okay. So that should be a single character. Fine. This is what character. So Srivan, anyway, in our .NET we have garbage collector and that will do automatic memory management, right? So we don't have any problem with memory management. Okay, so this is what. So someone asked me, sir, if we write 10 write lines, do we need to write 10 read lines? No. At the end of the last write line, if you keep one read line, that is enough. Okay, fine. So now this variable name, see, I can give a, I can give abc, I can give xyz, anything you can give and you can print. So Praveen, so I will explain that with static variables and all. So date time related and no problem. So for now we need this one. That's why for now for console application mostly we'll use these data types. So whatever if we required few other things or something, then definitely I will give there. So you people don't need to worry. Okay, got it, guys? So any questions? So see this variable name you can give anything here. Okay. So sir, this is because you kept the first value, that's why you kept value 1. No, you can give anything, your name, my name. So you can give Vishwa name here. You can give any name there. Okay. So, but we'll give this random value. Okay. Okay. Still that will go for 1 hour. Okay. So just run the program. We'll see what will happen. So run the program. One second. So we will keep like this in teacher. Float. And the third one is what? Double. And this one string. And last one is what? Char. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Now let's see the output. So see, we are getting. So now what is this one? It's a string. Yes or no? So what is this one? It's a char. What is this one? Double. So we kept 896.4 F, right? But what is the output we are getting here? So we are not getting that F value, right? So simply whatever the value we gave there, the same value we are getting here, 896.4. Okay, that's it. Now any questions on this one? Okay guys, so just note down this program. So just note down the program. We'll see one string concatenation program. After that we'll move to data types and we'll discuss in detail about data types. So you people know, right, how to write. So simple here, all these things anyway it will come automatically. Just keep main here, and after that what? Open brace, and you write everything here. But this console.write line, instead of that bigger line, you can write so console.write line. console dot write line. So within the bracket, whatever you want, you can write there. So if you remove f here, you will get error. Simple. So it will tell like literal type of data double cannot be implicitly converted into float. Use f suffix to create a float variable. Okay, that's why. So there is nothing to worry about that float. So just keep f. You don't need to worry on that. Okay. Okay. So note down. So note down this program. So if you write like this, then what will happen? It will save the time. Okay. So just note down. Yes, for us, correct. Okay, so guys, so I'm sharing this WhatsApp group link. So try joining with that group, and uh, if anyone have doubts or something, can ping here, or you can ping to my number personally. So please note down this program. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. I was explaining this Swaraj question. So Swaraj,
Wow.
no Kiran, we'll share. So, so you were asking what is the difference? See, the difference is this precisions. How many precisions will accept? So for the float, that will be like 6 to 7 precisions, but double is like some up to 15, 16 precisions it will accept after this point. I mean, after this dot. So that's why people will go for if you need more precision or something, people will go for double. Otherwise people will go for float. But anyway, I don't know the reason particularly, but so in real time most of the people, if that is a decimal value or something, then people will go for double only. Okay, after this point, after this dot, so the right side values. So what is this? 896.4 9678 something like this. That's what, but there is no difference between these two. So see, yes, Balaji. So I already explained in one of the some people asked me the same doubt a few days back. So this plus is for concatenating these two strings. So see, this is having holding some value. See, what is this integer value is? This is like one value, and this variable name is having some value. So you're just adding these two things. That's it. And one more thing, here we are keeping some string here. So here you can keep any string on our own. Okay, so you can see whatever you want to keep. See, that will simply it will print like that. So see, if I keep like this, then what will happen? Just see here. It is printing. That's it. Okay, so whatever you keep within double quotes, that string simply will print. Okay, done, guys. So please respond so that I will know. Completed in writing this program. Okay, okay. Shall we move to what is the name? So you can give any name. What is 3 4? Okay, good, Ankit. Okay, so fine. So what we will do in green? Where is green? This one. So I told you, right? This is commented lines. If you keep commented lines, those lines will exist, but they are not included in the code. That's what I told, right? So for your understanding, I told like so don't write static, void, main, string, arguments. So simply if you write this main, that is fine. That's what I was saying. Okay, got it. So so now what we will do, we'll just add two strings. Then what will happen? We'll see. So if you want to add two strings, what you need? Three variables. Two variables for having some value, and third one should for storing the value. String s1 comma s2 comma s3 semicolon. So what I will do, s1 equal to some Naresh IT only I will give. Okay, semicolon. S2 equal to IT semicolon. Now S3 equal to S1 plus S2. So where is the output holding now? Which value I need to print now? People tell me here. Which variable value? S3, right? Okay, we'll see. Now people see here. So string value is what, Naresh? So both the strings got added and it is showing the output. Yes or no? So now what we will do, as we discussed, what are those two numbers? 7822, right? So S1 I will give 78. Oh my god. Still loading. Hey. Okay. Now what is the output here? So we'll see. We'll see. So some people will ask me, sir, in which city people are giving. So we'll see the output. After that, we'll speak. So what is the output here? After adding 78 plus 22, it is giving 7822. Sir, please tell me the city name or your village name so that we'll come there. So we'll add we'll give 78 rupees and 22 rupees and we'll get 7,822 rupees. So if you are going to some ATM and if something is working like this, then what will happen? So you will leave your job and everything. You will sit that ATM. So you will ask them for that watchman duty for that ATM. So every day you will withdraw your money. So every day, what you will do? So simply you will give like 78 rupees and 28 rupees, or we will try to withdraw. So what is happening when you are entering that one? So it is every day. It is for 100 rupees. It is giving what? 7,800 rupees. Okay, correct. So but this is what string related. So if you add two strings, it will give the output like that only. So now what I will do, I will keep at the rate now. Let's see what is the output now. So 78 at the rate 22. So simple, it don't care about what you have entered there. Simply it will add those two strings, that's it. Okay, so it don't care about what strings you have given there. It don't care about it. So simply it will print or it will concatenate both the strings and it will display the output. So any questions, guys? Okay, note down this program also. For from tomorrow's class we'll discuss about data types, two types of data types: value type, reference type, what is boxing, unboxing, and everything we'll see tomorrow. Okay, for now just note down the program, and then if anyone have questions, please ask me. We have some 5 minutes time. Okay, note down this program. So if people worried about my charging, but still we have 22%. I will share today for us mostly. So if everyone joined, I can share there in that book, in that group.
हे तुम्ही आंघोळ कशा केल्या?
So could you please resend the link to join? Sir, what if include minus symbol in the in place of so we cannot do. Okay, so okay, Balaji, you got it right. So no, Ankit, only one book for C#, I'm saying. For ASP.NET, we have one more. Okay, so done. Anyone have questions? Okay. So guys, resend that WhatsApp group. Praveen, I just deleted. So you have that in the chat, right? Somewhere. See, almost 90% of people joined, Praveen. They don't have any issue. What happened to you? Okay, this one, right? Okay, Praveen, I will give you again. Okay. Okay, Praveen, now try to join again. So if you are still unable to join, just ping me so that I will try to add you from my end. Okay, fine. Any more questions, guys? So try to practice these two programs tomorrow. We'll discuss about the data types in detail. That is the most important concept, at basic level. So try, don't miss the class and try to join the class as soon as possible. So that boxing, unboxing, and everything. No, not here. Please ping me to my mobile. Okay, so at some point of time I will definitely add whenever I'm free. Okay, just send me hi in WhatsApp. Okay, so don't miss this data type concept. So we have advanced level, so that is that boxing, unboxing and all. So until you are there in IT industry, until you work with .NET, that will definitely follow you, that won't leave you. That is one of the most important concept in real time. Okay. So Kiran, everyone is having my number, right, Kiran? So this is my number. If someone is not having, please take this. Okay, guys, fine. So this is what my number, Kiran. Okay. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.